Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Messages and selecting the group thread you want to rename. This is the fastest path. Tap the top header or the cluster of icons to reveal the conversation details immediately because the name field lives there. If you do not see the name option, make sure the thread is an iMessage group with blue bubbles and at least one other person using iMessage. Otherwise, you cannot set a custom group name. Once in Details, tap Edit or the Change Name and Photo option to enter the editable fields. This is where you type the new group name. You can also add a photo or emoji if you want a visual identifier. Choose from Photos, Memoji, or an emoji quick pick. After composing the name and selecting an image, tap Save or Done so the change propagates to everyone in the group via iMessage. Make sure each member settings allow receiving these updates. To finish, confirm the new name appears at the top of the thread and that group members see it too. This verifies success. If the name does not show, make sure iMessage is enabled in settings and that every participant has a current iOS version and network connection. If problems persist, restart the Messages app or the device and then reapply the name. This often clears sync issues and forces the update to propagate across Apple servers and clients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.